So in this lecture we are going to study about the access specifiers in Java. What are the various access specifiers using Java, right? So let's get started. This is the main concept. This is a chart that you have to learn, right? By using this there are four different access specifiers, that is private, default, protected and public. Now you can see how you can read this chart, right? It is the access specifier and it is the scope within it is available, right? For I will take it private access specifier, and it within class it is accessible. Within package it is not accessible. Outside package by subclass it is not accessible. Outside package it is not accessible. Now we will take default. Within class it is accessible. Within package it is accessible. Outside package by subclass it is not accessible. Outside package by subclass it is not accessible. Now protected, it is accessible within class, it is accessible within package, it is accessible outside a sub package by subclass, it is not accessible by outside package. Now public, it is accessible everywhere, right? So therefore the main method is by default public, right? So that main method can be available to other programs, right, for in the scope. So um, um, that's it for this. These are the access specifiers, and you should always know the how it is where it can access and where it cannot access, right? So this is just a basic thing, right? So we will end this lecture here and we will go deep into the access specifiers in the coming lectures, right?